Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whomever watching this video, I think you all came here after seeing my thumbnail of this video. Yes, I got Bell's palsy. It's been 34 days. I have been diagnosed with Bell's palsy. Today it's my 34th day. I just want to share my 1 month update of this Bell's palsy. As you can see, there are a lot more improvements in my Bell's palsy case, where I have improved around 60%. I have recovered, still more pending, and still I have to go through a long way in order to cure 100%. I can first of all I'll share my improvements, uh, what I have get back. I can raise my eyebrow. I can smile. It's not 100% smile, but I can smile and I can flare my nose right now. I can close my eyes 100%. There are few moments are pending around my lip area and around my nose muscle. Still, I can't raise my nose 100%, and there is a still droopiness around my right side of the face, since I've been paralyzed on my right side of my face. And as you can see, there are little bit mouth movements, lip movements, as you can notice while I am talking, that like my mouth still moves little, a degree or 2 degree variation as it moves towards left side. If you people observe me while I'm talking, then you will get to know that how much my mouth movements are there. There are still pending around my mouth movements, like if I do this, there is a flexibility around my left side of my face, but around my right side I can't do 100%. But there is an improvement, since in last week I haven't done anything like this, and there are no movements around my right side. And I have been observed one more a bad news like kind of thing. When I try to move my lip like this, I can see a little bit movement around my eyelids, an involuntary movement happened. So it might lead to synchronisis like kind of issue. I wish I haven't developed that. And if you are anyone who is facing synchronisis, you must stop until where you feel like, if you are doing anything, if you feel, if you are doing that thing, how much, if please stop it until there is no movement. Like if I try to smile, like if under my lip area, if I move too much, then there is a involuntary movement happening around my eye, like it's a little bit twitching kind of thing. So I maybe it might, or it may not extend further, like it so as of now, it's a small negative thing happened to me, so I stopped overdoing that thing. And if you stretch too much, I think, are you getting my point, what I'm trying to say? You should stop when you see that if something is happening around your like for example around my mouth area, if I try to move this thing too much, then around my eye area, it started moving. So I will stop, I will do until it hasn't started. So please follow this, and it should be very important everything. That's my update. There's a lot more things to be done. And I started taking electrical stimulation from day 11 to day 22, and I stopped taking electrical stimulation. So I took electrical stimulation for 22 days, and then I stopped since I got all movements my back. Maybe because of too much of taking that electrical stimulation, it started synchronicity. As my doctor said that it will take more than 3 months in order to cure completely, since our nerve has to get regenerated. Mm, then you will start seeing differences, like there is definitely there will be a synchronicity as of I know, but it will be negligible, like point percent negligible. It happened, like a person can't even know that synchronicity has happened to him, but there will be slight synchronicity will occur, but those moments can be stopped and can you can retrain. So please do facial exercise, and please be careful and be gentle what you are doing. Observe everything on your face whenever you are doing facial exercises. Just see if you are doing any movements around your eye. Just observe, is there any movement happening involuntary around your mouth, around your nose, like kind. If you are doing around exercises around your lip, please observe that if there is involuntary movements happening around your eye or on your eyebrows, like, so that we can stop being in initial stages itself. So that's my advice to you, and please take care of your health, take very good medications, and take care of your food and avoid few things, and do massages every day as much as you can, and do exercises as much as you can. I'll do exercise as much as, and try to do stretches, not only your paralyzed side and also your non-paralyzed side. Stretches will improve to relaxing your muscles, and massages will give more blood circulation. So exercises will helps in contraction of your muscles. So please do everything. And right now I'm going to going just now I'm going to uh, consult one more physiotherapist, as she is more expertise in synchronicity issues. I'll consult her, and I'll take suggestions from her, and I'll do it accordingly. If you are facing this kind of thing, and please talk with your physiotherapist doctor or your neurologist doctor, so that a problem will be diagnosed initially, and it will get cured before it goes on worse. That's my suggestion to you. So this is my update of my day 34. Still I have to go through a lot more in order to cure 100%, as my mouth movements has to be back, get back. And right now the biggest achievement that I received is my smile, that I got back my smile. So this is my biggest achievement. And one more thing that um, yeah, that's it. And please take care of your health. We have to fight, we need to overcome it, and we need to do it as good as possible. So that's my suggestion. Yeah, everyone in our life will go through one toughest situation, so take it as your toughest situation, and we can overcome it. I hope you and me, everyone, whoever watching this video, uh, should get should cure from this Bell's palsy 100%. I think we all do it, and that's my hope to everyone. And if you want to connect with me, I'll share my um, social media accounts in the description bar and in comment section. You can contact with me. And please, whomever watching this, if you had Bell's palsy, please share your experience in the comment section, so that people whomever will watch on in future, or it might be, they may get to know, and they won't fear, and they will know that we all will overcome, like how we overcome it, and they will overcome it. I hope no one should uh, get this situation, get this condition to anyone. But in case we there is nothing will be on our hands, everything will be written by God. So in case if anyone in future will happen, they will get to know that everyone will recover how we recovered, like similarly they will get recovered. So that's my thing to say. And thank you for watching this video, and please share your comments in the share experience in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel if you want. And but if you want to get in touch with me, I'll share my social media icons in the description and in comment section. Please DM me for more details and everything. And if you want to share personally, and please share it to me. Thank you for watching this video.